Welcome back, guys. I'm so excited. I just got myself a GoPro 10 that was quick and painless. Oh, let me start the video. Just give me a minute. I just got myself a GoPro 10. Brilliant. I'm excited. I had a GoPro 8 up to now, and then I gave it to my brother, so I thought I'll get myself something new. It was quick, painless, and I just hope everything works because I didn't ask for him to open or anything, but I believe everything in there is working. So now I just have to get myself a train ticket, then I'll be on my way home. Usually they do have a 1 month ticket which is valid for 1 month, but I just chose not to buy a ticket for whatever reason, because originally I was supposed to go through Geneva, but yeah, things changed, so it's just even lucky I didn't buy a ticket. And I'll miss the train. It's 15:08. That's in 2 minutes, which I will not get. The next train will be, let's see. I call that careless. I really had enough time since I arrived, but I don't know what happened. So I'll have to check the next train. 15, I think it will be 15:30. Geneva Airport, 15:48. So that gives me more than half hour to get the ticket and do everything without rushing and running. I'm afraid sometimes the camera is really shaking because I'm holding it just I just put it in my bag and trying to hold it the best I can. So right now I'm going to buy a ticket, and then I will explain how the system works. It is quite simple, really, if you already know how it works. I have to say it's quite unfortunate I could not buy a GoPro at the airport in Doha, because I'm sure in the duty free it could have cost. I would have had to pay less, but that's that, so I can't cry over it. So right now I'm going to buy a ticket. This is the ticket machine. They are the same in the whole of Switzerland, so I will just... So here they show the different places the trains are going, and if you don't see your destination, I will just have to go to the continue. Then I will have to put in my destination. Never leave your baggage unattended. If you see any suspicious activities or unattended items, report them immediately to the airport staff. Here I will have to... Here is if I want to change my destination, or if I want to change my plan, and here I have to give the destination I'm going. So I will give the destination, just click anywhere in it, and I will just give my city. could have put immediately, but that takes away half an hour from me, so I will have to give the time. And it's today's date. And I'm buying a one-way ticket, and I'm taking the second class, and I'm taking half price. Kobiet komisch. Okay, that's done, and it's 21 franc 50 cents. So I'll be using my card to buy the ticket. So I just insert my card. Then I'll have to give the PIN and the OK. Okay. Take my card and kind of quick. And that's that. Quick, easy, and painless. So now I have a train ticket to take me home. It's a one-way ticket. The camera is too close, but still, I bought a one-way ticket to Zurich. No, not to Zurich. Going home. It's very easy, very quick. Hello. So everything is done. I'm ready with the tickets. And now I just have to try and get... I still have half an hour. So I will be going to shop a little bit. But it's... I will be going to the shops. I told you we have local shops here, so I need to get that's the shop. I see it's right there in front of me, but it's quite small. Once again, this is the arrival area, and arrival and no, not arrival, it is departures area. For right now I have enough time, so I can do what I like. I still have half an hour to wait. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I have to stop the video right now. I will talk to you later. Thanks so much for stopping by and for hanging around with me. Talk soon.